Hello and welcome to one more episode of my channel Food for Soul. Today I am going to prepare veg chicken pulao. It's a very simple recipe and can be easily prepared at home. First, let us check out the ingredients required for preparing this dish. First we need ghee. Next is refined oil, 1 teaspoon Kora essence, 1 teaspoon rose water, salt as per taste, cubes of carrot and beans, 1 teaspoon ginger paste and 1 teaspoon garlic paste, sugar as required, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon fennel powder, 1 teaspoon dry ginger powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, cashew nuts, whole garam masala, raisin, almond. Over here I have taken 6 cup Govindabhog rice. I have washed this rice and drained the extra water. I have used this cup for measuring rice. This double amount of water I have taken within this saucepan. I have taken 12 cups of water. Over here I have taken 300 grams boneless chicken. I have washed and drained the extra water from chicken and marinated chicken by adding 1 teaspoon salt. Over here I have placed the saucepan on a gas stove. Next I have added salt and next I am going to add sugar. After that I will be adding 1 teaspoon Kora essence and 1 teaspoon rose water. Next I will cover this saucepan and simmer the flame, and I will allow this water to boil for some time. Over here I am heating up few teaspoon refined oil within a kadai. Next, one by one I am going to fry cashew nuts, raisins and almonds. In the same leftover oil, I am going to fry beans and carrots. While frying, I will add little amount of salt. In the remaining oil, I have added 1 teaspoon garlic paste and 1 teaspoon ginger paste. Also, I have added 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Once this masala mixture is fried up, I am going to add boneless chicken pieces. I will add half teaspoon turmeric powder. We need to mix the chicken pieces properly so that all the chicken gets properly coated up with the spice mixture. We have to cook the chicken with a covered lid for some time until it becomes tender. Next, I am going to heat up ghee and refined oil mixture within a kadai. Next, I will be adding whole garam masala Once this garam masala is fried up, I am going to add rice. Next, I am going to mix 1 teaspoon dry ginger powder, 1 teaspoon fennel powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. I am going to mix all ingredients properly along with rice, and I will fry this rice mixture until the rice becomes crispy. After that, I am going to add this fried rice mixture along with this boiling liquid. After boiling rice for few minutes, I am going to add chicken pieces along with it. Once rice is cooked up, next I am going to add fried carrot and beans. I am going to mix all ingredients properly. When water gets absorbed by rice and the chicken mixture, I am going to mix the dry fruits. We need to stir gently and simmer the flame. We have to cook for few more minutes over a simmer flame until the entire water gets absorbed by rice and chicken. Next, I am going to cover this saucepan with a lid, and I will switch off the flame and allow this pulao to rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will remove the lid. So, our veg chicken pulao is ready. I have transferred this pulao to a serving bowl. This pulao is fluffy and the aroma is just irresistible. You can have this pulao along with salad or raita or any veg or non-veg curry. As I always say, try to eat homemade food and stay fit and healthy. Prepare this recipe at home and don't forget to share your views in the comment section below. Thank you for viewing this video. Wish you all a good day.